to them.
It's about the COVID-19 pandemic. President Yoweri Museveni advised factories to keep their workers around their workplaces to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. At Ngomoromo village in Lamwo district, some local leaders expressed concern that the proprietors of Atiak Sugar Factory were flouting the presidential guidelines, prompting Health Minister Ruth Aceng to visit the area to assess the situation. Aceng was flagged by Agriculture Minister Vincent Bamulanga Chisempija and Hilary Onek, the Minister for Disaster Preparedness. After the tour of the factory, Aceng said nothing calls for alarm.
That is why His Excellency sent me down. He said, go and see and guide the people so that they do the right thing. Because we must ensure that we don't leave room for COVID to come among the population. I took time and I toured the plantation. I also toured the place where the people stay. And I must say, I am impressed. Accommodation has been provided for at the farm. It is due to get completed. Previously, they have been hosting people here at this primary school of Ngomorom. So the workers at the farm have not been going home, which is good.
I think there were accusations about how the management is organized and how they are controlling the workers to make sure that they observe the standard operating procedures from the Ministry of Health and of course the regulations that have been given.
There's no point of doing investment and wanting to develop humans if all of us pass away. So that is why we support all of the efforts of Ministry of Health to be able to give us the standing procedure, however, not disrupting the agricultural processes. Currently, we have faced a lot of hardship getting laborers. Right now, we have 265 laborers in a place that accommodates 900 people. So at this rate, the seed that we have is overwhelming. We have already gotten 600 tons, which has already expired, and it cannot be used. And this is public resources of the people of Uganda.
With sugarcane growing relatively new in the area, local leaders called for trainers from Kamuli district. However, Minister Aceng says all this will be subjected to a COVID-19 test and quarantined before mixing with the local population.
We are going to ensure that we mobilize these people, test them for COVID, give them a period of 7 days, test them again, and then we will transport them here.
And then they're the people who are now going to be selling sugarcane to Orial. Meanwhile, for planting sugarcane, they'll be paid per acre 60,000. And then later on, they own the project. So that you are just same like you are paid for your own garden.
The investor came here. The investor was based in Atiak. Now, if the people requested and the investor came, and the people are saying we want to continue with our activities, then why should politicians come in to interfere? Rather, what we should come in to do is to support the people to do the right thing so that they can continue with their activities that they want to do. And that is why His Excellency sent me down. He said, go and...
With the COVID-19 pandemic already affecting several businesses, the Atiak Sugar franchise is not any different, with a loss of about 600 tons, which was meant to cover 500 acres.